Humanity has spent too much time arguing about God. People debate what God is, whether God exists, whether God can be understood, whether religious ideas are logical or contradictory. But perhaps this is not the most important question anymore, because human beings cannot fully understand God. And maybe we were never meant to. Throughout history, religions have described God in different ways, sometimes wisely, sometimes beautifully, and sometimes imperfectly. Human beings have added fear, power, politics, control, and division to religion. That is why many people today feel distant from religion, or confused by the idea of God. And honestly, that reaction is understandable. But maybe we are focusing on the wrong issue. The real question is not, can we completely understand God? The real question is this: are the spiritual qualities taught across the religions of humanity good medicine for our world? Yes or no? Would our world become better with more love, more honesty, more compassion, more justice, more humility, more responsibility, more forgiveness, more peace, more respect for human dignity, more unity? Because these are the core virtues repeated again and again through the spiritual history of humanity. And perhaps this is where humanity loses precious time. People endlessly analyze religion. They argue about doctrines. They criticize religious images of God. They search for contradictions. And eventually many walk away saying, if I cannot fully understand God, then I cannot believe. But perhaps complete understanding was never the point. Perhaps the point was always transformation, to become more truthful, more loving, more just, more compassionate, more peaceful. Because these virtues are not abstract ideas, they are medicine. Medicine for hatred, medicine for violence, medicine for greed, medicine for division, medicine for hopelessness. And the real question is simple: will humanity accept this medicine? Maybe we do not need to fully understand God in order to begin healing the world. Maybe what matters most is whether we are willing to live these virtues, because this is something every human being can do. And perhaps this is the question our time truly needs to ask.